I am here at the Ikoyi post office. Ikoyi post office. Look at the state of Ikoyi post office. Look at the state. Look at the state of Ikoyi post office. I'm just here to pick my payslip from YouTube, and this is what I am seeing. Like, are you guys for real? Look at the states, and this is in Ikoyi. This is in Ikoyi. Look at the states. I mean, I don't know what the governments are doing. Like, all these things, they matter. Especially for people who travel abroad and you see all these things. I can't imagine myself going to a post office abroad and look at the states. Take a good look at the state of a post office. We will keep saying our own, no. We'll keep, look at it. Everywhere is just hot. Look at the walls. Dead Sea. This is post office, so this is post office. Post office. This is appalling, to say the least. How can this be a post office to start with? How can this place be a post office? Look at the delivery counter. Look, there's nothing working. Excuse me, I'm sorry, please. Are these computers working? Are they even working? So how do you guys keep track of what is going on here? Use your phone? Oh my God. I need to go and look for people in charge of these things. Honestly, this is a sorry case. Like, I am so disappointed, to say the least. Look at a post office. What is happening to us in Nigeria? Who do us like this in this country? Who do us like this in this country? I'm just here on my own trying to pick up something. Look at what I'm seeing. Look at leftovers of papers at a post office. Isn't this crazy? Isn't this horrible? No. Just take a good look. Please. Excuse me. Hello. Please, who is the manager? Do you guys have a manager here? Which woman? Where is she? I want to have a talk with her. Let me call her. Let me call the manager. Look at the post office. Oh. This is the Ikoyi, Bodilon Road, the Ikoyi. Look at the building. The walls are even falling off. Look at the wall. Look. God. Oh my God. My day is already spoiled. I just want to quickly pick up my payslip from YouTube before I proceed to where I'm going to. My day is spoiled already. Look at the walls. This is a post office entrance. So what is wrong with us in Nigeria? Like, no, it's like nothing works. Nothing works. Look at the walls falling off. This is a post office entrance. So this could even fall on anybody. God forbid that it is me. Uncle, excuse me. Please, can I speak with your manager? Can I speak with your manager, please? Please, can you get me the manager, please? Look at post office. This is post office. Where is she? Post. Mo ṣe play boy, you see, or play kan ló ṣe mí. Inú mi ò dùn. Post office. Post office. Entrance post office. The ceilings are falling off. This is an entrance of a post office. So, Madam, are you the manager? Please, can I have a word with you? Can you tell me a reason why this place is in this shape, and you guys are working? You guys are you guys happy to work this way?
My dear, our PMG, he was here last December, and he promised that he's going to be on top of this.
This last December, you're talking about 2022, right?
Yes.
Okay.
He's doing something about it right now.
Is that what he said?
Yes.
And how did you guys even get to this point? That's what I want to know. Because it is something that has been going on for long. Look at it. Just take a good look. I mean, look at this. And to think that you guys are working. Are you guys comfortable here?
We are not comfortable, but he has promised us.
This is not a promise. He's not doing it for you. He's not doing it for you. He's doing it for the public. This is for the public. Look at this. Look at this. This is it. And you guys are working here. I mean, what is the problem? And you guys are here. You are working. Look at the nets. Look at, man. Are these things even working?
Yes, they are working.
In this state?
Yes.
Subhanallah. Man, this is a, man. When you're thinking of something here, you definitely miss. Look at the state of a post office. Look at the state of a post office. A post office on body lawn, Ikoyi. Oh my God. Hey, Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa nílùú yìí o. Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa o. I'm so ashamed. I'm ashamed to be a Nigerian. I swear to God. I'm so ashamed. Like, what is actually working? I want to know what is working. I mean, what does it take? What does it take the government to be able to do these things? What does it take them? I want to know what it really takes them. Look at the state of the post office. Oh, I mean, what does it take? I'm surprised that they're telling me these things work. Look. A post office, Nigerian post office on body lawn, Ikoyi, oh. Take a good look. Take a look. Man. Post office. Oh. This is post office building. Oh. Post office building. This is post office building. Look at the states. Because Nigerians, we don't complain about anything. You see? We don't complain about anything. Everything goes for us. Look at the workers. Nigerians, if they find themselves in some situations, they adapt to the situation. Because they have